I do is hustle.
We got Freak Show by Zombie brand fireworks. Again, you can't miss that fuse protector. It is popping out right there. There's your top, face towards audience, which means it's gonna have some angle tubes. 21 shot. Ooh, freaky looking. Again, Zombie brand doesn't have any description of what it is going to be, so I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. But this is Freak Show, popping up the lid, and there you go. And that is why you're angling a certain way towards audience. Straight, angle, straight, angle, straight. Some nice size tubes in this one for a 200 gram. Freak Show it is. Freak Show by Zombie brand.
Each other's houses.
Hell yeah. Freak Show.